Hey folks, BFG Neil here. Today I'm just going to talk about the Controllino Hotspot. There's been some updates to its dashboard and I think it's starting to look really good. So just wanted to show it off and show you, how this thing's doing. So the dashboard's been really revamped since last time I viewed it. Obviously you can check my video on the channel before, the previous version of this, but it's starting to look really clean, right? So I've obviously changed the name here just so you can see it. But it's got some nice statistics about RAM usage, CPU temperature, CPU load, disk usage. But what they've also cleaned up is the actions. So what I really like about this is that you can actually view the minor console log, see what's going on. So I've always seen this information. I've had DIY hotspots and you can see this information, but it's really good to see it. You can see these transactions here, these ones here. This is it sending and receiving data. So it's listening and pushing, ACK, pull and push. So as part of the cleanup and some of the functions that you can do, there's instant sync, minor info, peer-to-peer status. Each of these show information and you can restart the container. The error log, for example, is there any issues? Earlier on today I had some connection issues. I've managed to fix it with VPN, so you can see some of the failed to dial errors here. They've stopped now because of the VPN. I'll show a video at some point about how to do that. But everything you need now is much cleaner. So the original version of this was quite messy. Quite new, and it was clear that this was a first stab, but this really goes a long way to clean up the diagnostics and make it much easier and friendlier to use. So I thought I'd share that with you. And just a quick caveat here, I've had connection issues in my office with non-standard ports, so I've just managed to fix VPN, and what I'll do is the next clip you'll see will be a week later and it'll be the earnings of the hotspot. So, is it good? How is it handling data and everything like that? Hey folks, BFG Neil from the future here. It's almost been a week, just one day shy of it, and you'll see that on the rewards. But as you can see, the hotspot hasn't moved from this position at all, and it's just blown me away really. So let's show you the earnings. So here you go, that's just a week, 1 day short of a week. The furthest beacon that I have heard is 11 kilometers away, shown by that second thing. And the furthest hotspot that's heard my hotspot beacon is 45 kilometers away. But generally the average is about 20 kilometers. So, there's a couple of beacons there. I definitely recommend trying them out. So the Controllino I've got is obviously a V1. They're now selling pre-orders of that V2 batch 2. The only real differences that I can see is that it's got a nice screen on it now and a Wi-Fi antenna as well as a LoRa antenna on it. So just a tiny bit different. Still the same box, still the same company. So far in my testings, it's been absolutely fantastic for receiving and sending data and witnesses, even, plumbed in indoors, without an external antenna, it's still picking up some hotspots really great. So can't complain, and it looks fantastic now. So I do like the look of these. It's a metal case, so it's much nicer to dissipate heat through that. And the V2 looks even nicer, with a decent screen on it to let you know what's going on. So if you head over to the Controllino website, you see that the pre-orders for V2 batch 2 is now on sale. So they're available from June 2022. They've been pretty good with delivery. I've not seen any problems for it. And as you can see, there's a number of connectivity options here. So we're going to get light gateways soon. So I always like to look for LTE options because SIM cards are going to be really usable with low data usage. So that is definitely an option. And they also have an option for with or without PoE. So, if you want to run it on LTE, you won't need PoE. But if you're running it on cable, then yes, you will need PoE. It's just one of those options that means you need to run one less wire. Obviously you need some sort of PoE injector or PoE switch, but I like having those options. And it looks like there's quite a number in stock available for pre-order. So these shipping dates are for June. So check them out if you want. And if you're interested in buying one of these, there's a link in the description below. Please check it out. The link helps your boy out. So thanks. Yep, only a quick video this week. It was just to show you the updates of Controllino. I hope you like the look of it and consider using them. They're fantastic so far. Support's been great for me as well. I always can't tell if that's what everyone gets or is it just because I'm a Helium moderator, but they've been fantastic and walked through everything for me, so can't recommend them enough. Okay, bye for now.